Hello, it's Colleen, one of your Viva MK beauty brand directors, and I'm just going to be talking to you today about our Sweet Cheeks Creamy Stick Blusher. So what is a creamy stick blusher? Well, it is just a blusher, but instead of coming in the more traditional sort of condensed powdery form, it comes in a beautiful stick of creamy goodness. They all have jojoba oil and shea butter, so as you can imagine, it leaves a really nice, natural, glowy, dewy look. So it's perfect for sort of more mature skin like myself, or if you've got dry skin, or indeed if you just want to have like a sun-kissed natural finish. The first thing I'd say about it is it doesn't tend to go on as well over a powdery base. So sort of your more liquidy, creamy bases, the better. Certainly wouldn't be putting it on over the top of any sort of compact powders. It does, like I say, work better on a nice, creamy, dewy base. So first top tip would be, imagine you're wearing a big pair of sunglasses, so the sort of the bottom of the rims would be about here. You don't want any of this creamy blusher or any blusher or contour really to go above where the bottom of those glasses would sit. Okay, so all you need to do then is just open up the stick, twist it up as far as you need it, and you want to be sort of placing it on the sort of fleshy, fatty bit of your cheek. So if you just smile, sort of directly under the pupil and where the fattest bit is. Now it does look quite dramatic. I don't know whether that's picking it up, but that's grand, because what you're going to do then is blend it out. Okay, and you're going to be blending up and out. When I say up, I don't mean up towards the eye, because remember those imaginary glasses are there. But as you get a little bit older like myself, your cheeks tend to drop, or mine have anyway. So I'll be certainly sort of sweeping it up and out towards the back of my head. You can either use your finger or you can use a brush. And I like to use this one here. And all you have to do is just gently dab it up and out. It is buildable, so you can sort of, put another layer on if you're not happy with the first layer. You can also sort of angle it more, like your contour, and put it all the way down. However, I'm just sort of going for that sort of natural sun kiss, like the sun has just hit me look. So that's the one cheek done. Don't think I need any more on there at all. If you do find you've got a wee bit too much on, it's grand. Just use your finger, or you could use a little pad and just wipe some of it off. I think that is just bang on, that's enough. Okay, I'll just put some on the other cheek as well. So again, just sort of smile. Dab it on the sort of fatty, fleshy part of your cheek. And then either dab with your finger or use a brush. Up and sweep it sort of back. Again, you don't want to be putting it under your eyes, and you don't want to be putting it here directly touching your nose. And it really does just give that really nice sort of soft, dewy finish. If you have got dry skin like myself, too many powders and too much powders can really, really dry your skin out. This is absolutely perfect, and it does give a really natural, healthy glow. Because it is quite soft and nourishing as well, it has got the shea butter and the jojoba oil, I tend to put a wee bit on my lips as well. So of course at the minute I'm not wearing a lot of lipstick with always having a mask on, so just put it on your finger, or if you've got a lip brush, either or. It's so nice and creamy. Doesn't dry your lips out at all. And so there we have it. A nice creamy blush finish. This one, I am quite pale, and this one is in Turkish Delight. We have though got it in Peachy Cream, Pink Pavlova, Turkish Delight, Raspberry Ripple, or Strawberry Jelly. We also do highlight as well, so I'll just show you quickly the highlight. Highlight I like to put at the top of my eyebrows, not at the top, at the bottom. Tip of your nose, just anywhere sort of that you want to highlight. A little bit on the bottom of the chin, and it does work quite well, just putting it across the top of the cheekbone. I've got really dry skin, like I said before, so I can't really put it too close up to my eyes because it just tends to clog me wrinkles. The joys of middle-aged skin. But yeah, so that is the highlight as well. It works really nice actually with the creamy blush. So that's those. And also as well in the range, we do the ultimate contour kit. So if you're wanting to go for a more sort of angled contoured look, then these are absolutely perfect. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed watching. Any questions, just ask. Thanks very much for your time. Bye.